Hello friends, welcome to Gone Traders Cup channel. On Friday, Nifty and all our short side stocks are outperformed the market, and also our buy side stock Apollo Hospital outperformed the market, and it is raised very fast when the market is falling, and it is stopped exactly with our resistance 2601, and it is just hovering around that area. Let's start our stock analysis for Monday 18th of January 2021. Let's start with the Nifty. Nifty in hourly chart, it's kind of double top formation, so it is also confirmed. So we should be very caution when going long. So let's go and check the intraday perspective. As per the intraday, we go only long when it is trading above for 5 minutes close above 14520 level. We go long with the target of 14560 and 14571 level. If it is sustained for 5 minutes above this, we can see the previous resistance area 14641, and if it is sustained above, we can also see 14692 and 14762 level. If it is a breaking the lower side 14443, we can see 14400, 14 yesterday low 14375. If sustained below this level for 5 minutes and it's breaking this swing and it is sustained, if the trade is confirmed, if the trade is confirmed, it means that the breakout is confirmed. We can see 14330, 14280 for tomorrow. If sustained below, we can also see until 16161 level. Let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty yesterday it is taken the resistance with the 32,761, and it is came down. It is fallen to 32,105 level, and it is just hovering around the square number 32,400 level, and it just closed below our reference price 32,349.6. So my expectation is tomorrow below 32,105 we can see 32,041, and if it is sustained below we can also see 31,800, 31,684 level. If it is sustained above and it is made a swing breakout above 32,490, we can see 32,6 32,761, and if sustained above we can also see 33,124 level. Let's move to stocks. I have shortlisted PEL, PVR, HDFC Bank, Apollo Hospital, Bharti Airtel, M&M for the long side. For the short side, I have Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, Balkrishna Industry, Hero Motors, Infosys, Jubilant Food, and TCS. Let's go through one by one. PEL. PEL, it is taken the support with the square number 1600. It is just stopped with the midpoint 1640. It is hovering between the square number and the midpoint. So, and after yes, on Friday, after the market close, we got the news that PEL won the bid for DHFL. I think that it is a good news. That's what it is not fallen when the market is fallen. So what we can expect tomorrow above 1641, we can see 1674, 1681. If it is sustained above this square number, we can also see 1722 and 1764 level. PVR, PVR, I given a positional long on Friday, even before the result. I given the long once the breakout is coming above this consolidation phase, and after the market we got the result, and it is given it is a wonderful result, and it is approximately 75 basis point. I think it was a good result I expect. And what we can expect tomorrow above 1486, we can see 1499.6. If it is sustained above, we can see 1521. This is the square number. It will act as a strong resistance. If it is sustained above, we can also see 1560 level. Next talk is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, it is fallen when the Nifty is fallen, but it is given a very good pullback after that. And it is also broken the swing, and it is just closed near to that level. Um, and also closed above our reference price, and the results also I felt it's good. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 1474.5, we can see 1482.5, and if it is sustained above, we can also see 1497 and 1521. This may act as a strong resistance for HDFC Bank. Apollo Hospital, in the starting of the video, I explained, and I also explained, once this breakout, this swing consolidation is breaking, we can expect this level. On Friday, it's done, and now we can expect above 2613.7. We can also see 2652.5, 2675.8, and the next stock is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, it is not at all ready to react for the market fall and is just consolidating near to the midpoint 600.5. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 605 for 5 minutes close, we can see 613 and 625 level. M&M, M&M, it is fallen as per when the Nifty is falling, but it is just stopped with our near to the reference price. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 826, we can see 834 and 844 level. Suppose if it is a sustained below 815.35, we can see 812.5 and 810. If sustained below, we can also see 795 level. Next stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank, it is just closed below our the square number 676. So what we can expect below 669.6, we can see 662.7, and if sustained below, we can also see 650 level. Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, it is just consolidating near to the square number 4900, and what we can expect tomorrow below 4842.4, and for 5 minutes we can see 4830.5. This is the midpoint. If it is close to below for 5 minutes, we can also see 4761 and 4744 and 4710 level. Now Balkrishna. Balkrishna Industry, it is made a double top formation in the hourly chart. It is just topped with the midpoint 1640.5. So if it is breaking tomorrow for 5 minutes, we can also see 1620 and 1600 level for tomorrow. Hero Motors. Hero Motors, it is came down on Friday. It is just topped with the midpoint. It is trying to bounce back, but it is unable to sustain above this level, and it is came down again back to the midpoint 3192 level. So but it is just hovering around the reference price. So my expectation is tomorrow below 3174, we can see 3149, 3136 level, and also notice 3121 level. Infosys, on Friday, it is just uh, did a gap down opening below the square number 1369, and it is unable to go back above that level. So it is also sh shows the weakness in the hourly chart. So what we can expect tomorrow below 1340, we can see 1332. If sustained below, we can see 1317 and 1296 level. The next stock is Jubilant Food. Jubilant Food, in the hourly chart, it's kind of double top formation, I think. Yeah, it is just broken this level, and it is trade is confirmed. It is just stopped the with the square number 2704. So as per the 5 minutes, what we can expect tomorrow below 2703.15 for 5 minutes close, we can see 2679, 2652.5 level. If sustained below, we can also see until 2601 level. TCS. TCS, again, it is just consolidating near to the square number 3249. So what we can expect tomorrow below 3210, we can see 3192.15. If sustained below, we can also see 3157, 3136 level. It might be a remote chance, I'm not sure, but just note down this level also. Thanks friends, thanks for watching my stock analysis video. If it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. And if you made profits by my levels, please comment on the comment section. Thank you, thanks for your time. Bye.